Namaste, my name is Viswal and you are watching Do and Code YouTube channel. Today I am just covering one problem. I know it's just like a basic problem having pointers 1. Still I want to cover because it will be having multiple ways to solve this problem. The problem is called as delete the alternative characters. What is saying, like given a string s as a input, you have to delete the characters at odd indicates of a string. You already know, like our means or in Java our string starts with, like here I am just writing, okay, pointer will be 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, like this. Okay, what I will need to do here, we need to that delete that odd indicates, like the position number 1, position number 3. For this case it will be deleted. For this example, let's check example here. You can see as a input Geeks, and what kind of output they are expecting, GES. How it is happen, like for this case what the number of characters is like 5. I'm just writing 04. What I need to do here, for this case 0 position will be there, means G is there. That E, the first E, it is indicating a odd indication as 1, then it will be deleted. 2, the second second E, it is referring to our even indicates, then it will be present inside that output. Then K, it is indicating a odd indicates, then it will be deleted. Okay, similarly for the S is indicating our nothing but a even indicates, then it will be present of the present inside the output. Okay, for this case, for the first case, like I'm writing case 1. Here I am going to use a array. What I need to use array, a get type of array I will use here. Let's do that one. Okay, car of array, okay, as arr equal to s dot to car array. I'm just created a array. Let me use that for loop here. Int I is equal to 0, I less than array dot length and I plus plus. What I need to do here, I have to check, means my get output will be all the even characters, okay, not the odd characters. What I can do here, I can directly write here, if my I is modulo 2 is equal to 0, means I am referring here my those like you can see those even characters. Okay, I want to keep it, and for the other characters I want to delete. Okay, for this case what I need to do, for this case I need to do I don't want to do anything. That's why I can write here, like if that I per modulo 2 is not equal to 0, in that case I can do one thing. Okay, let me do one thing, like I'm just I will create a separate string here. Okay, let me create a separate string. That's why I'm just referring my even characters. Okay, let me create a string here. String result is equal to something empty. Okay, otherwise I can write even, it's fine, it is a local variable. Okay, for this case what I need to do, s plus equal to my array of character, that position, okay, which is divisible by 2, means that those even characters. Here I want to return of result. Okay, let compile. Yeah, okay, I'm getting an error here, symbol cap. Okay, sorry, it's not capital C, it will be small c. Let the compilation start. Yeah, you can see it is working. Okay, it is the first case. Let me comment this first case. Let me go to the second case. In case number 2, what I want to do, I want to do that means deleting that alternative characters by, I will do the string methods itself. Okay, I'm not going to create anything. I'm directly using the string methods. What I can do here, I can create a string result here as a empty string. Then I have to create a for loop, and I is equal to 0, then I less than age dot length, then I plus plus I do. Then here what I need to do, here I can directly check if my I modulo 2 is equal to 0. In this case what I need to do, I want to add my result. Okay, I want to add my result with my character. And so we have some method like age dot car art of I can do. It is just like similar. Okay, it's nothing specific, I am just telling you. It's just like similar one. Here also I am just using, instead of that array I am just using this. Okay, let me compile. Yeah, you can see it is working here. Okay, for the customer input we can just add for gigs. Okay, what will be our output for this case? Let's see. Yeah, it's working. Okay, I want to go for the third case. There I don't want to use the string inbuilt methods. Instead of that I want to use like, okay, let me do one thing. Okay, here I will write what I want to do. In the case 3 I want to use that string builder. It is a class. Okay, string builder result is equal to, sorry, new string builder. Okay, I just created a string builder. Okay, let me do one thing. For the first case I have already covered. Okay, just do me a favor. Okay, let me create this into one line, this into one line. Okay, oh, now it's fine. Yeah, I'm just created a string builder right here. For I will create like for int my I is equal to 0 and I less than my age dot length. That is a method. Then I plus plus I will do. Here what I want to do, I can directly check those even numbers. 2 is equal to 0. In that case result dot append is a method of my string builder class. Okay, here how I want to do, and to do the same thing. Okay, it's just like s dot car art I am to do. Okay, actually it is just like rather than using my string class I am just creating a string builder class. What is the use for this I will explain. Okay, what is the use for this string builder or a string class or a like our, okay, what I did, okay, sorry, I think I did some mesh of what are incompatible types converted to string builder. Let's check. Okay, what I did, okay, uh, okay, it's not required for result equal to, Okay. Okay. It's the return type is string. I'm just returning a string builder type. That is the okay. I can just convert by using toString method. Yeah, that's fine. Let we our final output. Yeah, you can see it is also working. Like this is the three cases. One is like our string builder. String builder I am using instead of creating a string. I am creating a string builder. What is the use case for the string builder? Like if you go for like you can see like string is called as a immutable. If you modified a string, then it will be created a new object instead of that same object. Rather than this, if you go for the string builder, it will be useful for you. Okay, similarly for like the second case, it will be I'm using the string classes. Okay, here I am each time creating a different string objects. For this array, what I did, okay, for this array I'm just explicitly create, also I'm just using the string same. It will be also creating multiple objects there. Yeah, that's it for this problem. You can just practice and go for it. Yeah, thank you.